time. That is not. But we know at the start what we planted the intrigues there. I am just as, well, not really. I've learned a lot during my prosecution days. We planted evidence. We arrested persons, but we released them. But telling him that it was this person who squealed on him was born. Who is this stupid God? Stupido talaga itong putang akong ganun. You created something perfect, and then you think of an event that would tempt and destroy the quality of your work.
Sino ba si Edgar Matobato? Bakit siya dapat pagpaniwalaan ng mga tao ngayon?
Dahil matagal ako nagserbisyo sa kanila, sa umpisa kong trabaho, 1988, nagbuo ng grupo si Mayor Duterte nga Lambada Boys kung liquidation squad. Ang trabaho namin, pumatay ng drug pusher, kidnapper, hold-upper, rapist. Yan ang trabaho ko. Sa pag-umpisa ko, maganda talaga yung kuhan ko kay nakakatulong kami sa taong mga mabait. Kaya ang pinapatay namin, mga masamaman na tao. Yan ang inuutos sa amin.
56-year-old, isa pong retiradong polis na membro ng Davao City Police Office. Ako po ay pinanganak at tubong Davao City. Dito po sa gagawin kong isang public confession. Ito po ay pagsunod ko po sa kagustuhan ng Diyos at labis na takot sa Diyos, pagmahal sa bansa natin at sa sarili ko pong konsensya. Dahil po dito po nagwakas ang blind obedience and loyalty ko sa isang tao, kay Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte, na ngayon po ay presidente ng bansa natin. Dito po, una ko pong tatalakayin ang mga sinasabi ni Edgar Matobato. Totoo po ang existence ng Davao Death Squad o DDS. Si Edgar po ay isa sa membro namin at isa po ako sa pasimuno nito. Ang pag-umpisa po ng Davao Death Squad, before po ito nag-umpisa, sa una pong pag-upo ni Mayor Duterte bilang mayor ng Davao City, ay nag-umpisa na po kami na tinatawag ng salvaging ng mga tao. Ito po ay mga suspect na gumagawa ng krimen sa Davao about illegal drugs. Na-implementa na po namin ang personal po na utos ni Mayor Rodi Duterte sa amin.
Rona Serto, isang pulis na nagserbisyo ng mahaba at tapat para tulungan ng masawata ang illegal na droga sa ating bansa. Matagal akong naging drug enforcement operative at natalaga ako bilang Deputy Director ng PNP Anti-Illegal Drug Group at PNP Drug Enforcement Group. Ako din po ang parehong Police Colonel Asierto na matagal nang ipinapahanap at pinapapatay ni Pangulong Duterte sa militar at sa kapwa ko pulis dahil lamang sa inimbestigahan ko ang ilang taong malalapit pala sa kanya at kay Senator Bongo. Ako po at ang kasamahan kong si Police Captain Lito Perote ang nakadiskubre sa mga illegal na aktibidad at gumawa ng report tungkol kay Michael Yang at Alan Lim, mga personalidad sa illegal na droga na laging nakikita nakasama ni Pangulong Duterte at ni Senator Bongo. Dinukot na po nila si Perote.
Na dati kong estudyante sa Lyceum. She has many nice things to say about me, and I also have many nice things to say about him. You know. Duterte, maluwag yung bunganga. Sabi niya, kapag akong presidente, isang paa ng NPA nasa Malacanang na. You know? Ready for coalition.
I will follow the pattern of socialism sa government. That is really, sinabi ko na sa in public, in every meeting, I said, I'm a socialist. And though I am not a member of the Communist Party, but I am a socialist. And I belong to the left. Alam na ng mga tao, sir, sabi ko, this will be the first time in the history of our country na merong leftist to president. Walang masama sa left. We are more tolerant to the doubts of government.
Mahalaga na sa electoral campaign pa lang, ilinagay na ninyo sa agenda yung programa ng isang
Enjoy 100% free shipping with no minimum spend. Enjoy fast and free shipping. Shop today and enjoy fast and
left president to be. At siyempre kapag kayo ay nasa posisyon na, mas marami kayong magagawa. Maipapatupad ang inyong mga inyong mission at vision.
Galit ako sa oligarchs at pati mayayaman. They get the fat of the land. At yan ang problema dyan sa ating gobyerno. And they allow it. I wish you well, all the best for you, makasama natin dyan. And hopefully, I will visit you before I will assume office. Kasi may the agenda.
Magaling, mabuti po.
Kasi yung ang agenda sa...
Salamat ako sa pagkakataon ito na magkausap tayo at maraming salamat sa prospect na hindi magtatagal, magkita na tayo.
You have also to prepare the agenda para pag nandito na, wala na masyadong debate or issues unresolved. Diyan na ho natin na gawin ang agenda yung pagdating. The agenda only. Yun ang natutunan. Yun ang natutunan ko sa iyo, sir. Salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Sige, sir.
Pag-asa kong makauwi ako kapag panalo si Digong, Mayor Digong Duterte.
Hoy ang NPA!
Mabuhay!
Hoy ang NPA!
Mabuhay!
Sinasabi ko sa inyo, I'm left. I've always been left.
Duterte is a real villain, not a Filipino hero. He was and is a pro-communist, socialist, leftist leader who happened to be a president. He almost sold the Philippines to communist China.
States report notes that there have been only 3 prosecutions and convictions for extrajudicial killings in the Philippines in connection to the country's campaign against illegal drugs since 2016. Published by the United States on its Department of State website, the 2022 Country Reports on Human Rights Practices shows that the Philippine National Police were recorded to commit arbitrary or unlawful killings relating to the anti-drug operations. According to the report, there were no convictions for extrajudicial killings from January to October 2022. It also points out that there were only 3 convictions since the start of the drug war in 2016. The report also notes that impunity was a significant problem in the security forces, particularly in the PNP. Citing data, the report says that 321 police officers were administratively charged with killings during anti-drug stings from January to July 2022. Of these, 233 personnel were referred to the PNP Disciplinary Authority, 4 were suspended, while 229 were absolved. In 2016, then-President Rodrigo Duterte launched an anti-illegal drug campaign in the country. Government data shows that there are over 6,000 drug war fatalities as of April 2022. But human rights organizations' figures are significantly higher at over 20,000.